Hey everybody, Joe Burnich here with Big West Marketing, and what I want to talk about in this video is, what we're going to be doing, in these hard times while, there's all these quarantines going down, all these cities being locked down. Business is affected in a very big way. My business is affected. I've talked to probably 8 people today, 8 of our clients today, that they are affected. Money is very tight right now, and there's a lot of fear. There's a lot of crazy stuff going on, and I'm not saying that we need to capitalize on that fear, but if people are freaking out about the cleanliness of their house, and those of us that are in the cleaning or restoration or related type services can give people some peace of mind and keep our businesses chugging along until this thing ends, then it's a win-win. And so I've been talking to people about some ideas that they've used that have been successful, and I've got my own idea. I was trying to think back, if I could go back to when I had my carpet cleaning business, what would I be doing right now? And I've got some ideas, and I want to show you guys what I would do. But before I do that, let's click over. One of our clients is a pressure washing service, and what they did is they put this Facebook post up that I thought was really, really good. In light of the COVID-19, and while schools are closed, we want to help our community. We'd love to provide cleaning and sanitation of playground equipment at our local parks and schools at no charge during the week of March 22nd. So he's reaching out to the community, saying he's going to provide some services, and at the same time he's going to be, creating a brand for himself and showing that he is, somebody that can help. So there's different ways that you can do this, and there's ways to do it wrong and come off as if you're trying to, take advantage of people during this time. I'm definitely not saying to do that, but this is an example of somebody who did it right. Okay, and so take what you want from that one. Another one is I had somebody talk about one of the Service Master franchises talking about having like a 10% referral bonus to people that send them clients for like any kind of cleaning service, but specifically like whole house disinfection services, stuff like that, as a way to and promote it in a way that is about helping displaced workers. People are out of work right now. What can you do to make a little bit of money? Well, you can get out there and promote this disinfection service and get 10% of the gross. And so I thought that was pretty cool. And I've got an idea as far as like using Facebook to do this. Everybody's at home, they're on Facebook, and what you can do is you can boost posts and get them out to your community better than just making a post on your page and hoping people see it. You can force people to see it. And so, I just want to show you an example of how to do this. If you've never done this before, I'm going to show you real quick. So you go to your page, your business page, and I'm just using, I'll use my business page as an example here of what you can do. And so let's go down. Let's go to the place where you can write a post, okay? So let's say you say something like, in these unpredictable times, and I'm going to pretend like I'm a carpet cleaner during this one, but anybody that does a cleaning service, cleaning related service, restoration service, can do something like this. We have suspended our normal carpet cleaning service and are now offering home disinfection and sanitizing service. Okay, and then what you want to do is you put call for more information, a little call to action, and of course put your phone number there. Just using this as an example. And what you can do, if you wanted to put more information about what that is, whatever disinfection, cleaning agent that you're using, get the information that's on that bottle. They've already gone through the hard work of figuring out what legally they're allowed to say, what claims they're allowed to make, stuff like that. Get that information from the bottle. And then another thing that, people are worried about is, you coming into their homes, okay? So I was thinking, maybe get the picture that you include here. If you don't want to do a video, videos are always better. You can do a video of you talking about this stuff. But maybe a picture of you with like a mask on to imply that when you come into your house, we care about your family. We don't want to spread germs. So I found this on the internet. Do not use this picture. I just thought it'd be something like this. If you could put a mask on, take a picture of yourself, take like a selfie or a picture of yourself cleaning some carpets with the mask on to show that, you're going to come in and take this serious, and you're not going to be spreading germs. So it's not just a way for you to make money, but it's also a way to keep yourself safe, keep their family safe, something like that. Okay. So as you write this out, put your text in there, put the photo in there. Then what you can do, and if you've never done this before, is you go down here and you click Boost Post. Okay. And what Facebook allows you to do is to find people in your local area. Okay, so let's say we want, I'm in Missoula, Montana, but it's going to populate your area. Missoula, Montana, in a 30-mile radius around here. So that's who's going to see this post. Okay, and you could say, do it for 5 days. Maybe do it $10 a day, starting today. And like if I was to do this today at $10 a day, 390 to 1,100 people per day will see this. Okay. And if you can get some of your friends and family to like the post, it'll make it so Facebook will show it more. They want to show more people if they see that there's been likes or shares or comments, stuff like that. So if you can get some of your friends and family to like it, share it, and maybe make some comments on there, that'll give you a little bit of an edge, and it'll show it to more people for the same price. So it'll save you a little bit of money as well. So that's how you do a boosted post. I think you should do that for $10 a day in your local area if you're in the cleaning industry. But like I said, make it people-centric. Don't make it real salesy. Don't make it sound like you're trying to take advantage of people during these hard times. Just something I wanted to show you guys. And let me know if you guys have ideas, if you guys are doing things that work. We're all in this together. The Big West community, the Big West email list that I have. If you guys come up with a bunch of ideas and send it over to me, email it over to me, joe@bigwestmarketing.com, I will share it with the community. Okay, so if we can generate, 5, 6, 7, 10 ideas that other people are doing, that we can share as a community, it's gonna help everybody. It's gonna help everybody that's involved with this stuff. So, like I said, my name is Joe Burnich. Send me over your ideas. Take these ideas that I just gave you, run with it. I just wanted to set this up and send it out before the weekend starts so you guys have something to work on for the next couple days. And, like I said, shoot me a message if you've got any ideas or any questions, okay? Once again, Joe Burnich, Big West Marketing. Talk to you soon.